Click on the link below to get discount. The Laurastar Smart U ironing system is a remarkable blend of innovative technology and user-friendly design, aimed at transforming the often tedious chore of ironing into a more enjoyable and efficient experience. Right from the unboxing, the quality of the materials is apparent. The sleek, modern design of the iron and its accompanying board exudes elegance, while the compact nature of the system makes it suitable for various living spaces, including apartments where storage might be limited. One of the standout features is the smart technology integrated into the system. The accompanying mobile app is a game changer, guiding users through the ironing process and providing personalized tips based on the type of fabric being ironed. This feature is especially beneficial for those who may not be familiar with different materials, ensuring that delicate fabrics receive the appropriate care. The steam production is impressive. Laurastar claims it generates a continuous flow of high-pressure steam, which significantly reduces ironing time. I found that stubborn wrinkles largely vanished with minimal effort, and the ability to iron vertically is a huge plus, making it possible to freshen up garments right on the hanger. This is particularly useful for delicate items that might not fare well on a traditional ironing board. Another notable aspect is the ergonomic design of the iron itself. It feels comfortable to hold, and the weight is well balanced, allowing for prolonged use without fatigue. The system also has an anti-scale feature, which is a thoughtful addition that extends the lifespan of the iron by preventing mineral buildup. While the Laurastar Smart U ironing system is on the pricier side compared to standard irons, the investment is justified by its efficiency and the quality of results it delivers. Overall, this system has redefined my ironing routine, making it not only more effective but also surprisingly enjoyable. For anyone looking for a high-quality ironing solution, the Laurastar Smart U is an excellent choice.